Muling nagsalita ang sparkle artist na si Sandro Mulak sa Senate hearing at dinetalye nga nito ang nakakasukang ginawa sa kanya ng dalawang GMA executives na sina Jojo Nones at Richard Cruz. Ayon kay Sandro, hanggang ngayon daw ay kumikirot pa din ang sinapit ng pribado nitong katwan matapos pagtulungang galawin nina Jojo at Richard. Maging ang ilang senador ay napaluhan na lang at tila nanlambot sa pagsasalaysay ni Sandro. Narito panoorin ang video.
Sandro, are you willing to narrate the incident that happened? No.
I can go to a certain extent po, Your Honor.
Excuse me?
I can go po in a certain extent po, Your Honor.
All right, good. You want to start?
Your Honor, if we may, Sandro still experiencing some trauma from...
Excuse me, attorney, you're not allowed to speak. You just give legal advice to your client, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Okay, tuloy mo na, Sandro.
Okay po. So, ayun nga po. So, going back po sa buong incident, yun nga po, this happened after the GMA Gala. When pagpunta ko po ng room nila, ayun nga po, nakita ko po si Sir Jojo at si Dodi Cruz. Si Dodi Cruz po lasing na. Pinakilala po ako ni Sir Jojo, so tumayo po si Dodi sa bed. Tapos pinakilala po ako ni Sir Jojo na si Sandro to, anak ni Nino, magaling na artista to, magaling na kontrabida to, ikakas ko to soon. Ganun po yung usapan, ganyan. Tapos, inabutan po nila ako ng wine. Pininom po ako ni Sir Jojo ng wine. Then, nag-abot nga po siya ng 500 peso bill sa akin. Then, may nilagay po siyang white substance dun po sa table ng hotel. Then, pinagbabasag po niya ng hotel room keycard. Tapos, ayun po, tinuruan po niya ako kung paano gamitin po yung substance. Nauna po silang suminghot ni Dodi Cruz, sila pong dalawa. Then ako po yung pinasunod nila. Then after ilang minutes po, hinila nga po ako ni Sir Jojo sa kama. Then, si Dodi Cruz po, tinanggal po yung polo ko. Bigla po niyang sinok yung nipples ko po. Parehas, sobrang sakit po. Then, si Sir Jojo po, binaba po yung pantalon ko. Tapos, Mr. Chair, sobrang laswa po kasi it's gonna be...
It's okay. We understand. They took turns.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Okay, stop na. Honest. Nagte-testify na itong bata na may nangyari. You still deny?
Your Honor, since the case is already with the...
No, I'm asking you.
Okay.
Do you still deny?
I would like to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor. Since the case is already in the DOJ, we will answer there. And we...
What about the drugs? What about the white powdery substance that you poured on the table?
Same, Your Honor. I invoke my right to self-incrimination since the case, these are details of the case and the case is already with the DOJ, Your Honor.
Is it true that you drank wine?
Your Honor, these are already details of the case, Your Honor.
That is a very easy question. Is it true that you drank wine? You gave wine to Sandro? You do not have any right to speak, Mr. Attorney.
Your Honor, I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor, since
That is not an
the
incriminating question.
the case is already...
That is not an incriminating
Yeah,
question.
But these are details
That is
of
not
the
an
case.
incriminating question. You still want to be detained there?
No, Your Honor.
All right.
I'm just...
Answer my
Please
question.
don't
Did you
detain me
drink-
just
did you
because
offer wine to Sandro?
I'm just invoking my
Okay.
right to self-incrimination,
You
Your
will
Honor.
stay- you will
It's
stay
my
in detention
constitutional
center.
right.
Because the question that I am asking you is not an incriminating
But these are
question.
already details of the case, Your Honor, and the case is with the
stay-
DOJ.
okay, all right. You're going to answer me the same, no?
I'm just invoking
No,
my constitutional right, Your Honor. I don't think it is fair and proper that you detain me just because I invoke my constitutional
No,
right to self-incrimination, Your
I
Honor.
am asking you a question, a valid question. Inofferan mo ng wine si Sandro.
But these are details of the case, Your Honor,
Sige, okay.
and as
You will stay there.
as promised,
I promise you will stay there.
Mr. Chair, Your Honor, this na wala pong pilitan, hindi naman po tayo korte, Your Honor, and I
I'm
invoke
aware of
my
it.
right to self-incrimination
I'm aware
because
of
I
it.
don't want to answer details of the
But
case, Your Honor. This
the
is already
question-
part of our defense.
But the question that I'm asking you is not an incriminating question.
Yes, Your Honor, but these are already details of the case, and I cannot answer
All right.
Up-
Okay.
because I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your
All
Honor.
right. Okay. I also have my right to detain you. Okay. Kundi lang si Sandro, sino pa yung mga pinapadala mo na messages? Answer.
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
You think that is an incriminating question? Sino lang mga tinext mo? Answer.
Ano po yung question, Your Honor?
Ano oras dumating si Sandro sa hotel room mo?
Hindi ko na po maalala yung eksaktong oras pero a little before 5 a.m., Your Honor.
Sino-sino nasa hotel nang dumating si Sandro?
Sa amin po, Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, these are details of the case po, Your Honor. I would like to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Diba? Is it incriminating? Question?
Your Honor, details, they are connected to details of the case and anything
Ang tanong ko lang, sino-sino ang nasa hotel nang
can be used
dumating?
against.
Ang tanong ko lang, sino-sino ang nasa hotel nang dumating si Sandro?
Your
Ikaw
Honor,
lang ba? Kasama si Richard o meron pa iba?
Your Honor, these details are connected to the
Okay,
facts of the
sige.
case and
Mm.
I would like to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Yung sinasabi ni Sandro that you poured a powdery substance on the table, what is that substance?
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
And where did you get that substance?
I invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
Sinubukan niyo ba na makipag-areglo sa kanya?
Hindi po, Your Honor. Hindi po kami nag-reach out sa kanya.
Nag-reach out ka ba sa tatay niya?
Hindi po, Your Honor.
Di ba kinausap mo yung tatay niya?
Ano po yun, Your Honor? It was an arranged meeting po, Your Honor. Hindi po kami yung nag-reach.
Who arranged it? Who arranged the meeting?
I don't know how it came about pero I think it was Miss Annette Gozon po na parang tinanong po si Nino Mulak if he wanted to meet with us and then she asked us and then we said yes and then we met with them po, Your Honor.
Oh. Who initiated that meeting? Attorney Annette?
Hindi ko na po alam, Your Honor. Hindi ko po maalala kung paano yan.
Marami ka naman hindi maalala. Kamakailan lang yun. Ito nga si Gerald Santos, 15 years ago, 19 years ago, naalala. Ikaw, last week, last month, di mo na maalala.
Hindi ko po alam kung, hindi po ako sure ngayon kung nirequest po yan ni Mr. Nino Mulak or si Annette Coson po ang nag.
But you did not request for a meeting?
No po, Your Honor.
Sino kumontak sa'yo?
Si Miss Annette Coson po, Your Honor.
Nung kinontak ka ni Attorney Annette, ano sinabi ni Attorney Annette?
If we wanted to meet with Mr.
What did you
Nino
say?
Mulak. And then we said po, yes po, Your Honor.
Hindi ka nagtanong bakit? Ba't okay lang ako sa ninyo Mulak?
Hindi, sinabi po na may allegations po against us ni Sandro. And then we said po, sige po, Your Honor, willing kaming harapin siya dahil nga.
Okay, when you saw ninyo Mulak, how did you feel? Was Sandro there?
No po, Your Honor.
All right. How did you feel when you saw the father of the one you raped?
Wala po, Your Honor. And the mere fact po na humarap kami sa kanya is a clear indication of our innocence po of the allegations.
Oh, really?
Your Honor.
Mr. Ninyo Mulak, sige, try to raise your hand.
Your Honor, I'd just like to ask, why were they crying when they apologized?
Did you apologize?
This question has already been answered previously, Your Honor.
Okay, I want to hear the answer again. Did you apologize?
These are now details of the case, Your Honor. I invoke
No.
self-incrimination.
During the last hearing or last two hearings,
Yes, Your Honor, pero
did you apologize?
Your Honor, I already answered the question.
Did you apologize? Yes or no?
I invoke my right to self-incrimination,
answer
Your Honor.
Get the
I already
file.
answered this question, Your Honor. And
Get the
you didn't
records.
naman accept my
Get the
answer,
records.
Your Honor. You didn't accept my answer, Your Honor. So I invoke my right to self-incrimination. This is
You
my
get the-
constitutional right.
Argue! Ikaw na nga ang ikaw pa mayabang dito.
Hindi po ako mayabang, Your Honor. May mga karapatan din po akong constitutional.
I know your rights.
And yet you have detained me for 8 days, Your Honor.
I will still detain you.
For just exercising my constitutional rights, you continue to
I
detain
know
me.
you're
It's
right.
an injustice.
I know your rights. You're always trying to evade the questions that are not incriminating to yourself at the very start of this hearing. You get a court order for you to be released here.
Your Honor.
Yes.
Your Honor, may I remind Mr. Jojo Nones regarding, kasi mukhang nakalimutan niya yung pangyayari. I went to, nung nalaman ko po yung insidente, pinaalam ko po kay Senator Bong Revilla. Nakiusap po ako kay Senator Bong Revilla kung pwede po ako iset ng meeting with Miss Annette. And then the next day, we met with Miss Annette. Nagkita po kami sa Hyatt Hotel, hindi pa sa residences, sa hotel po. Kasama ko po si Sandro at si Chanel. At nung nagkita po kami dun sa hotel sa hotel po ng coffee shop, sinabi na ni Miss Annette na nakausap na niya yung dalawa. At umamin na daw po sa kanila na meron nga nangyari. Kaso, ang akala daw nila, okay lang. So, I don't understand kung bakit bilang all of a sudden iba na yung storya nila. That was the main kaya sila nag-sorry. Kaya kami nagkita because they wanted to say sorry because they thought it was okay. They thought it was consensual. Hindi yung context niya nung the last time na iba lang yung context niya na sorry dahil wala kaming ginawa.
All right. I would like to remind the gentleman, the reason why you were detained, because you were being very evasive of all the questions that I was asking you during the last hearing, and not for invoking your right against self-incrimination. That is very clear. All right. I am asking you right now. I ask you that question. Did you say sorry to Mr. Nino Mulak? And you were last time around, I remember, as far as my memory serves me right, you answered that question. Now you're singing a different tune.
I already explained the context of that sorry, Your Honor.
So you apologized.
Not in the context of admission of any wrongdoing, Your Honor.
Were you crying?
Yes, because the allegations were so intense, and it was affecting us emotionally, because we tried to convince Nino Mulak that we did no harm and we did no wrongdoing.
Are you going to refute it, Mr. Mulak?
Your Honor, they said sorry because they thought it was okay. Yun ang sinabi mo sa akin, Mr. Nones. Akala nyo okay lang. That's those exact words. Akala po namin okay lang. Even in Ms. Annette's affidavit, it said that you thought Sandro was comfortable with it. But clearly it's not. Kaya nga nagreklamo yung bata eh. Lahat na lang iba yung context mo eh. Kasi pati yung donation, Your Honor, yung donation niya, sabi niya, dahil galing lang ako sa charity event, mag-donate.
Speaking about the donation, you deny it? You deny it?
We already answered that, Your Honor, and
What was your answer then?
may we request Mr. Nino Mulak to stop addressing us directly, because this is a public.
Yes. With all due respect to Mr. Norris, you address the chair.
Okay. We already answered that, Your Honor.
What was the answer?
Yeah, and Your Honor, these are facts of the case. These are facts of the case. This is included in the affidavit of Ms. Annette Gozon. So definitely, these are facts of the case with the DOJ.
But
That's why I invoke my right to self-incrimination, because anything I answer here can be used against me. And I've already tried to answer your questions as earnestly as possible in the past few hearings, but you always accuse me of being evasive.
yes, you.
I am not being evasive, because these are statements of our defense, and I'm answering you according to our defense. So if you don't want to accept it, Your Honor, then it's out of my hands. But I'm just answering you as earnestly as I can, as sincerely as I can, and I keep invoking I'm just exercising my constitutional rights. It is up to you if you want to continue to hold me in contempt just because I am exercising my constitutional rights.
No. I know your rights. I know your we all know your limitations and your rights.
These are already details
The
of the
reason
case.
why the committee detained you is that, as mentioned earlier, you're trying to be very evasive, and that was the question that I asked of you, and you were very evasive in answering that question regarding the offer of financial contribution to a charitable institution of Mulak's choice. There was already an affidavit signed by Attorney Annette Gozon that indeed you made that statement, or you made that offer to Mr. Mulak. Oh. Now I'm asking you again.
Your Honor, with all due respect, I already answered that last hearing, and I said that even the affidavit of Miss Annette Gozon supports our statement, how we explained that to you, how I answered that question to you. But you don't want to accept my answer, so I'm just going to invoke my right to self-incrimination, Your Honor.
You were trying to be...
These are details of the case with the DOJ. This is included.
Let me talk. You were trying to be very evasive during the last hearing. That is the reason why we cited you in contempt. Okay? You never invoked your right against self-incrimination during the last hearing. It is only during this hearing that you are invoking your right against self-incrimination. And the mere fact that the questions that I was asking you were not incriminating at all. Oh, ano oras ka natulog? Incriminating ba na? Ano oras ka kumain? Well, at any rate, if that is the advice of your lawyer, so be it.